what it looks like, doesn't
There's
it?
2 comments.
Oh yeah, there's a second one.
Amanda, I cleaned up some of my labels. I can't find some of my.
See how the
I want to see how far it.
The good thing about that direction is the airport's the other way.
Yeah, but we have a lot of red zones that way.
Do you?
Yeah.
it goes that way a lot.
Okay, so we can bring the bag about 8 feet down from the basket or so. Facebook page.
Blinking.
Oh,
On the
okay.
front.
Okay.
Okay? Yeah.
Yeah.
Uh-oh.
Oh, wind's driving me insane.
Hey, Norm. Up here.
Okay?
Yeah, I tested them
Before? Okay.
Could you grab a Kleenex for me? A couple of them there in the front of between the driver's seat and the passenger seat. They were in my coat, but I ditched my coat, so.
Oh right.
I just feel like my nose is running.
It's chilly.
Yeah.
But that sun is up, but it's definitely warmed up.
Thanks,
It
Dave.
gets real warm when your fan gets turned off.
Right? That definitely
I'm
warms
used to
things
being
up.
on the other end.
Right?
I don't work the basket in very often.
Okay.
It's cold and windy, isn't it?
Well, no, it's
Oh,
85 degrees. It's,
Are you usually the crown? Is
I
it-
do the crown
Oh, okay.
90% of the time.
Oh, okay.
It's like
Thanks, Dave. I'll let you be my driver.
okay.
So remember, it's not an ignition key. It's
It's a button.
it's the remote.
Right,
thing.
yeah.
Thanks, everybody. See you, Nathan.
Bye.
Bye, buddy. Have a good day at school. Love you.
Bye. Bye, guys. Bye.
Are you chasing?
So what are they building over here?
I have no idea.
I don't either.
I didn't know there was anything going on
I
there.
didn't either till just now.
I just don't like my feet to get cold.
clearer than it's been for a long time.
Yeah.
There's power lines in there, but there's a set right there.
Yep.
Yeah.
Oh, Dave. My husband has said it. The bag, the envelope bag, and the white bag that's within it for the rope should be in it. So let's maybe get some of the air out first.
Okay.
And, Dave, maybe you can help me with the skirt while they're doing buns on. Everybody get your buns on.
Buns on.
Buns on. Here we go. Get the air out.
You got the low end.
Let's do our circle.
Okay.
You guys, did you get it all out?
I think so.
We got a lot.
It's
you
coming
got it
back
all?
in.
Yeah.
Okay, we'll get the rest of it in there. Dave, let's see if we can pull that back out for a minute. Looks like we need to get this. That helps. There you go.